Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to make a contact on the Nokia 105. So the first thing you want to do is press the large button in the middle here to get to the apps. Then you want to come up to the top here and select Contacts. Now within the contacts you want to come down and select Add Contact. Now you have a choice where you want to add the contact, either the phone or the SIM. It's best always to store them on the phone, as if the SIM goes corrupt, you'll lose all your contacts. So I always recommend selecting the phone. Once you've selected the phone, you want to enter the contact's name. So let's just add a contact name quickly. Once you've added the name, you want to press the large button again to select OK. Now you want to enter the phone number. So this can be anything. Then once you've entered the phone number, you want to press OK. There you have it. You have made that new contact. And you can select it from the list, and then you can call it directly from the list. So that is how to add a contact on the Nokia 105. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to check out this playlist where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.